Hey y'all, I just got my new 2020 Revair in. Like, I'm so excited to use this. I'm gonna be using this on my hair and my daughter's hair. If you don't know my daughter, go back and look at my videos. I got a hair video on her and her hair's pretty long. And you're gonna see why I needed this new Revair. So let me do this unboxing video and show y'all. Yes, the old Revair sold me. It sold me so, but they were sold out. Look at this packaging. Oh my God. It is so pretty. You guys, I got toddlers, so you're gonna hear my kids talking. Look at this. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Look. Oh my, I'm gonna show y'all. What is this? Look at that. That is so cute. Let me take this out. I'm gonna show y'all. Oh, they invested some. That's why it costs so much. Stuff is quality. Look at that. I like that. Look at that. That's like made of steel or something. You got plastic on it. All fancy, fancy. I think this is what you store it in. So we got that in there. Okay, what is this? You guys, I paid $500 for this, plus tax. No. What is this here? Okay, so these are all the accessories. We got clips. Oh, you guys want to see my Revair client? Come here, Madison. This is my Revair client right here. Look at all of this hair.
Mom, what's in there?
Okay. All right, can I put you down so I can put it here and show you?
No.
Yes?
No.
Yes?
No.
Do no means yes?
No.
Okay. Hey, look at the video. I'm doing a video. Now let me put you down, okay? Thank you.
No.
We ain't doing this, so we're gonna edit that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you the accessories.
Get off of my spot. Get off of my spot.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you the accessories. You got hair clips. Okay.
No.
Open this up. So this is an unboxing video. Scissors.
Okay, remember to put it in.
Look at this. Oh, so fancy. Come with the clips. Okay, on the video, on the website, you got two prices. You got $4.29 for this, just the dryer itself, and then all the accessories is $4.99. So I think it's worth it. All the reviews I've seen, I'm sold. So I want to bring you guys this unboxing video, and I'm also gonna do a video of my daughter's hair when I repair her hair and straighten it. This is a spray bottle here. See? Yes, I love that. And this is called a basket filter foam liner insert. So came with filters, and not sure what this is right now. I've seen a video on this of one of the YouTubers doing their Revair video. I think this is part of the filter where the hair goes in, and then you just take it out, clean it. So that's what this is, and it came with a comb. Y'all know we can never get enough of these wide tooth combs. That's naturals. Okay, so that's the accessories. Let me move this stuff out of the way and get down to the good stuff. Put this away. All right. Here we go. See that? Yes. I'm so excited, y'all. I got my Revair. Ooh, this thing heavy. I'm gonna have my son come up here and lift it for me because it's kind of heavy. Can you lift that baby?
Let's do it again.
Okay. All right. So let me show y'all this. How do you open it? Okay, I see it. Look at that, so cute. You see that Ah, see, look at that.
It's a hot foot going down.
Fancy.
Hot.
Okay.
Give me.
I heard stories on the old one how heavy it was. This does not feel heavy. This is the new 2022. So I'm gonna take this out first. Take the handheld. Everything is like wrapped and like stocking stuff. And okay, this is the holder. Back. This stuff is so huge. Hold on, let me put that right there. And the instructions, which I'm not going to read the instructions on land. I'm just showing y'all really quick because I got to sit down and take my time with this. Make sure I put it together right. So I'm going to put this back in here. I'm going to move this stuff out the way. Can you move this for me, hon? Okay, so let's get into the nitty gritty right here. So this is my Revair. Yes, guys. Seriously, like, go online and check out the reviews. Yes, I'm giving other people their props. That's what you do. Check out their reviews. Oh my God, y'all gonna love it. And y'all gonna be so, look at this. This is my Revair. So that filter I showed you was an extra one. So I got this one here. Yes. This is the cord right here. Ooh, hair ties. Look at that. Revair hair ties. Look at that. I'll be wearing some of these with my daughter. That is so cool. Look at that. I don't want to have to cut this off. It's another hair tie, y'all. I want to get this off right. Alright, there we go, the hair tie. Alright, look at that. I know this connects to this. Like I said, I'm not going to put it together because I really need to read for myself. Even though I've seen the videos and then watched them, but I need to read for myself, you know. Because I'm going to do this thing right. So the hair tie. And I know that goes with this. So unlock the section. Now this is what's gonna get the job done right here.
I'm a good one.
Look at this, it's matte black, y'all. It's so cute. Oh my goodness, look at this. So you put the hair in here. I watch reviews on this and it sucks it down and it dries it. It's a reversible hair dryer. It dries it and it closes your cuticles. And it just makes the hair straight like you flat iron it with no heat in it, you know? So you put this in here, you know. And this right here, and I'll show y'all this, because this one, snap it, they said, boom. It go on either side, so if you lefty, go on the left, righty, right, whatever. And this, handle, boom. So that's it, y'all. This is my new Revair. Now let me wash my daughter's hair so I can use this Revair and come back with y'all with a video. Okay? All right, peace.